My name is Sushmita Buksh, and today I'll be taking you through the Thurston Gardens as part of my research assignment for UU204 Pacific World.
Thurston Garden is home to a remarkable collection of evergreen trees, palms, water lilies, local plant species, including ginger, which inspired redevelopment of a nearby cafe on site, named as the Ginger Cafe. These gardens are a living museum, standing on the site of the original town of Suva, which witnessed one of Fiji's bloodiest conflicts in 1843. The land, once scarred by war, now blooms with
As you
peace
can
and
see,
beauty.
the Thurston Garden is located right in the heart of Suva, and it has trees that have been growing for the past 100 years or so. You can see this one grown into a big luscious tree that many of us take shelter from. Commonly known as the Eevee tree, very familiar in our country.
Formerly, the garden was known as Suva Botanical Gardens, but later it was renamed to honor Sir John Thurston's contributions to Fiji's natural heritage. Thus, it was given the name of Thurston Garden. Thurston Garden is a sanctuary of history and nature right in the heart of Suva, Fiji. This garden was formerly known as Suva Botanical Gardens, but later it was renamed as Thurston Garden in honor of Sir John Thurston's contributions to Fiji's natural heritage and its safety. This evergreen tree is named as an Elaiocarpus angustifolius. It is a tree that grows quickly and starts bearing fruit in 3 to 4 years. This tree and its fruit are very dear to our Hindu brothers and sisters, as the fruit contains special seeds that are converted to Rudrakshas. It is believed that Rudrakshas are associated with the Hindu deity Lord Shiva and are commonly worn for protection and for chanting mantras such as Om Namah Shivaya. Having this tree around right within our city is a blessing because usually the Rudrakshas are primarily sourced from India, Indonesia, and Nepal. The garden must be well maintained and kept as the heritage is vital for research, conservation, and education, as it helps us understand plant biology, ecology, and the understanding of the impacts of environmental changes. Additionally, they provide a space for the public to enjoy and learn about plant life, fostering a connection with nature that is essential for promoting environmental awareness and our roots. As we can see here, this is a drinking fountain. It was presented for the use of the public visiting these gardens from January 1914. Part of the discovery within the garden was this man-made pool that had a fountain built in the center. Unfortunately, we can see that the fountain was not well maintained, and as years went by, the fountain lost its identity. This shows that we must work together and look after the safekeeping and maintenance of the garden. This plant is commonly known as a money plant. It grows fruits about the size of a potato, which starts out green and ripens into yellow or white in color. The juice, fruit, bark, and leaves are used in herbal remedies. This tree is called a cannonball tree. The cannonball tree can hold as many as 1,000 flowers per day. The flowers are strongly scented and are especially fragrant at night and in the early mornings. While the tree is not native to Asia, having only been introduced there in the last 300 years, its identity has been conflated with other trees mentioned in Hindu and Buddhist scriptures, especially the sal tree. In India and Sri Lanka, the tree is venerated by Hindus who believe its hooded flowers look like the naga, under which the white stigma looks like a lingam, and hence it is grown at Lord Shiva temples. Part of this beautiful garden's feature is the clock tower and bandstand. The clock tower and bandstand were constructed in 1918 and was built by Henry Marks and Company Limited in memory of Sir Marks, the first mayor of Suva, still standing today as a timeless monument, hosting events and adding to the garden's charm. Also located within the garden grounds is the Fiji Museum, which houses a wealth of historical artifacts, providing a window into Fiji's cultural and natural history. The Fiji Museum, nestled within these grounds since 1955, guards Fiji's cultural reserves, telling tales of its diverse heritage and the determined spirit of its people. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our very own natural heritage, the Thurston Garden. We hope to welcome you in person to experience its beauty and tranquility. A legacy that continues to grow, just like the flora it so lovingly preserves. May the history of this beautiful heritage inspire you as much as its beauty. Binaka.